Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig install. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This color wig is chocolate brown, which I love this color on my skin. This is my first time trying chocolate brown wig, but I'm gonna put the wig on and start to push all the hair going to the back so I can start applying this lace. Then I'm using red Kiss Bond spray. And then I'm going to blow dry it on hot setting so it can get down tacky. And then I'm going to do like 2 extra layers so this wig can be down secured. I'm going to start applying my lace, the middle part. Do this in sections. It's very easy for beginners. And for myself, even though I'm not a beginner, this is super easy. But I'm gonna push all the hair going to the back, remove all of that hair from out of the lace because you know not want it in your lace at all. I'm gonna take the end of my comb and push the lace into my skin so the lace can be laid and slayed. Now it's time to work on the side of the frontal. So I'm going to place this frontal on where it needs to be at so far, and then I'm going to push all the hair going to the back so I can start applying this lace. As you can see, I am pushing the lace in where the spray got it, and this is how it looks so far. Again, apply 3 to 4 layers, blow dry it on hot setting so it can get tacky, and then I'm gonna lay the lace down after 3 to 4 layers. As you can see, there is a little bit of hair in the frontal, so I'm just going to pull it out, and then I'm going to remove this hair because I don't need it inside the frontal. I just need to lace to be laid and slayed. The lace is lifting on the side, so I'm going to take some hairspray and then spread it out with my fingers. And then after that, I'm going to use the hot setting on the blow dryer and then lay it down. I'm going to take my comb and start pushing all the hair going to the back, so when I start to use my hot comb and wax stick, it'll be easier.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm honest in my love with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Ruby Kisses foundation in the shade 12 and put it onto the lace, but do not use too much because it can cake up. And then after that, I'm going to use melting spray, even spray it on my fingers and then tap it onto the lace. And then after that, I'm going to blow dry it on cold setting so everything can set in place.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need.
Take my wax stick and start to apply it onto the hair and do this in sections so your wig can lay down flat. And then take my hot comb and do this super slow so your wig can lay down flat, get rid of flyaways, and no longer be humpy dumpy.
You make me believe your love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I want you here.